Yo, what is going on, guys? Alright, welcome to my channel. My name is Kostulas, and today I'm going to teach you guys how you can make money with sports. Okay, so first I'm going to try to make it so my face can stay in here so I could look you guys in the eyes and show you exactly what you need to do to start making money with whatever sport that you are passionate about. So, for me, my favorite sport in the whole world is baseball. I've played baseball my entire life, and it would be my absolute dream, obviously, to play for the Yankees, as you guys could see, Yankees right there. And I would, do anything to have that opportunity. So the thing is, the way I see the world, I see it a lot differently than the average person. I believe that anything is possible if you put your mind to something. I believe if you work hard enough at something, you will be rewarded for it. So I believe that if I put in the work, I can make it happen. So, the same way I've been able to grow my business, I know I can grow my body and I know I can grow my athletic ability. And, so basically, what I want to show you guys in this video is exactly how I plan on making money with sports and how you guys can make money with sports. Because I know a lot of my friends are really into sports and, they're playing video games, talking about sports. And, if only they had a camera or or if they took out their voice memos on their phone, they can make a lot of money with a podcast or a YouTube channel. So we're going to go into that and all the different possibilities that you can literally decide how you can make money, doing something that you're passionate about. So let's dive right into it. So let's play the keynote. All right. So how to make money with sports. All right. Step one, identify what your dream job is. Do you want to be a broadcaster? Do you want to be a professional athlete? Or do you want to make a company revolving your favorite sport? Well, if you guys haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. I'm going to be posting every single day teaching you guys how to make money doing what you love. So if you're into that and you want to learn more about that stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you tune in every day. So let's go over step one. So for people, a different it's obviously going to be different for everybody because not everybody wants to be a professional athlete. Some people just want to talk about sports. So I think that the best thing that you could possibly do to start your business revolving around sports is simply to just make a YouTube channel and talk about your favorite teams. Very simple. I feel like the broadcast is probably the easiest one to do because all you have to do is play highlights of your favorite teams and whatever you want to talk about in the background, and you don't even have to put your face in the video. You can literally just, play highlights of your favorite stuff and then just talk about it for a couple minutes, and then you could set up an ad targeting people who are interested in the same things. I really plan on doing this for my YouTube channel soon. Right now, I'm really pushing my personal brand, and I'm really trying to grow my agency. And I have different goals right now, but I definitely see myself, being a broadcaster for my favorite teams, and because I'm doing it anyway. I'm watching, the Yankees highlights anyway. I might as well talk about it and explain my feelings about how I feel the team is going to do, how I feel about certain players, yada yada yada. Because people want to hear about that. It's obvious that people, want to listen to sports. Why do you listen to Michael Kay? You know what I'm saying? Like, why do you listen to people that are, on the TV opposed to YouTube? And it turns out that YouTube is going to be way more popular than TV, even if it probably is already. But you get the point. You guys can literally be like your own Yes network. I'm trying to just make it as simple as possible. All right, so or you can ask yourself, do you want to be a professional athlete? For me, that's 100% the case. What I plan on doing is creating a simple video that, that shows. Well, let's just get out of this for a second. Let me go to my Instagram for a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a short little 15 to like a short little video that just shows off my baseball skills. You know what I'm saying? So basically, we're gonna go down here. Like I'm gonna make a video and put this all together in one video. I'll have this video where I'm just smoking a baseball. Get off me. You know what I'm saying? Take a home run that I hit right here. And literally, I'm going to target, I'm going to target scouts. People, you don't understand. We live in a brand new world where instead of us athletes relying on scouts to come to watch us, we can send out videos of ourselves to scouts. And I'm going to teach you how to do that in this video. So make sure you guys stay till the end. But here's just another video of an example of a commercial that I'm going to make for myself. So I'm going to put all of my 3 videos you just saw combined, and I'm going to just put it into a little commercial, and I'm going to advertise it to people who work in the baseball industry. So basically, we're on the Facebook ads platform. If you guys don't know how to do this, I have plenty of videos on how to set up your first Facebook ad. So what I would do is, go to traffic. So I want people to give me their email. I want emails of scouts, of colleges, and of major and minor league teams. So we're going to set up the campaign. We're going to call it Scout. All right, so now we're going to go down and we're going to find that audience. So obviously we're going to target the United States. We're going to target people. Obviously scouts are pretty, I'm going to say 30 through 64. Men, I don't think language really matters. Okay. We're going to narrow the audience. So it has to be a head coach of college baseball. And there's more suggestions. Minor league baseball. Okay, so on average, I can get 5 to 32 people who have their job title as head coach, and they also have to match college baseball, minor league baseball, and NCAA Division baseball, Division 1 baseball. So basically, the only people that I'm targeting basically 1,300 people in the entire United States, and I'm narrowing down my audience ridiculously to the only people that I want to see, that I would want to send my commercial to. So instead of me going out and emailing coaches and whatnot, I'll let them just see I'll just, while they're scrolling on Facebook, relaxing, taking a shit on the toilet, they could be scrolling through the Facebook feed and see me crush a couple baseballs, and then hopefully they'll, contact me because I can set up a landing page and whatnot to, have a conversation with them. So I would set up an Instagram story, spend $10 a day, and look, every single day, 6 to 39 different head coaches. 6 to 39 different head coaches are going to be seeing my commercial pop up on their Facebook feed. So I'm setting up a commercial specifically targeting head coaches. So think about what you could do for you. If you're a football player, all right, so head coach, say you're a softball player. Say you want to play softball. College softball. So again, same type of thing. Exactly. So they have to be a head coach who are interested in college softball. So the people that we're really targeting, this 1,300 people, like it's a very specific small amount of people, and this is exactly what you're looking for. You're trying to narrow your audience down to exactly what you want. So this is how you create an ad for if you want to be a professional athlete. All right, so the last thing is, do you want to make a company revolving around your favorite sport? Revolving your favorite sport, whatever. I tried to make a cool keynote. I messed up on the spelling. It's whatever. Hope you can forgive me. All right. So to make a company revolving around your favorite sport, I would highly suggest setting up a Shopify store. I have set up Shopify stores in the past, but I decided to not. I decided to focus all of my energy on my agency, and now I'm slowly making my transition into the personal branding. So my agency is growing ridiculously, and now I have money to advertise to grow my personal brand. I'm going to make a Shopify store in the future. Obviously, the more passive income streams that you can get, the better. But you could set up a store and target people who are interested in what you're selling. So, say you want to sell batting gloves, or you want to sell baseball, like actual gloves or baseball bats. You could set up a Shopify store and call it knicksbaseballshop.com. And then you can, get all the products shipped in from China on this website called AliExpress, and then you can have this software called Umbrello that will literally let you just pick and choose whatever products you want to take from AliExpress and put it right on your website, right on your Shopify store. And then I can run ads targeting people who are interested in baseball, and then interested in playing baseball. I can set up the age ranges, so I know that these are teenagers that are playing baseball, that are on high school teams, that are looking for gear and whatnot. So you can run ads, make a cool commercial, explain why your product is better than the competitors. Show why yours is a little bit cheaper, and like it's the same materials, and then it's really that simple. It's a very simple process. I can't wait to do that. I'm not doing that just yet. I'm focusing on my agency, my personal brand for now. But the second that my agency is literally outsourced, and my personal brand, I got ads running that are just really working, I could start focusing on other things like Amazon FBA, or really focusing on affiliate marketing. Like, there's so many different ways to make money. So that's why you guys need to subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be teaching you guys all this shit. You know what I'm saying? All of this for free. You see what I did in this video? Gave you exactly what you needed to learn about how you can turn sports into your full-time job. So let's go to the next slide. I just think that flame looks dope. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications. You heard? Next slide. Step 2, run paid traffic to the right audience. This is going to be different based on your specific goals. Guys, we went over that already. I literally just showed you exactly how to do that. Rewind it, watch it again, and set it up for yourself. But this is just a quick segue to my passive income ebook. If you guys click on the one link I have in the description, I have a tab called the free passive income ebook. And in that ebook, I explain to you guys the 5 best ways that you can make 6 figures from your computer in 2018. You can have no experience. You could start today, and I will literally give you guys the best value that I possibly can to show you how you can make money, just chilling on your computer. So, next slide. Step 3, your social media should be your business. Okay? This is just how I feel. You need to learn how to capture emails of relevant people, such as, scouts, head coaches, business owners, or people that are just interested in your brand, right? You got to learn how to capture the emails. Then you got to learn how to grow on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, because these are the new channels. Like, I'm sorry, Fox, I'm sorry, ESPN, I'm sorry, NBC, ABC. Like, if you guys have not noticed this pattern, like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube are dominating the attention, just the attention, and the attention equals currency. And the way to make money is to just get people's attention, relevant people's attention. And if you can do that and target these people on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, which I will show you how to do, and if you guys, you guys really want to learn how to do that stuff, I have free videos. I have dumb value. I have playlists set up. Like, go binge, go learn as much as possible. And the last thing I would say is to learn how to make awesome content. Whether you want to make tutorials, whether you want to make creative videos, whether you love, just editing and just taking pictures. Like, I'm super into flying my drone and making commercials and growing my personal brand and growing businesses. I think it's so much fun. And I'm doing this so I can be free. I can do whatever I want. I can practice baseball for 5 or 6 hours a day if I choose to, because I don't have a school teacher telling me what to do. I don't have a boss telling me what to do. I can go set up an ad and find a school of some coach who's willing to take a chance on me instead of, spending all day looking up coaches' emails and whatnot. Like, nah. Like, if you're a head coach and you're on Facebook, which I guarantee you are, what is everybody doing on their leisure time? You're gonna see my ad, and if it's the law of numbers, out of 1,300 people, I just need one person to like me, and then I have an opportunity to play baseball for any school, maybe on a scholarship. Who knows? So and also minor leagues. I was it could be a minor league coach that picks me up, and I wouldn't have to even go to school in the first place. Like, school's still an option for me. I still have 4 years of eligibility to play baseball. Um, you know, the world is my oyster. I'm gonna do what I want because I can. Money isn't everything, but it gives you the power to do things that you wouldn't be able to without it. I have, my dreams and my goals are to be a multimillionaire by the time that I'm 23, and to help people, and to be a professional athlete by the time that I'm 24. Whether that's for a minor league team or a major league team, we're gonna have to find that out. But as of right now, I'm 21 years old, and I got my agency popping off. I got my personal brand popping off, and once the money is really abundant, I could start traveling the world and meeting people that I would never have met. So money isn't everything, but if you learn how to make a substantial income, it can change your life. It can change. It'll change your life, and it'll allow you to live a free lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. So I hope you guys like this video. Like I said in this slide like 5 times, subscribe and turn on post notifications, or it's like you're not even subscribed. All right, deuces. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.